Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Bacchanal Rebranding had the official launch for their 2019 line of costumes. Organizers revealed the new plans for the upcoming 2019 season, which will see the removal of the usual Friday night fete set mass camp.
Well, this year our events calendar has actually changed up quite drastically. There's a ton of new things. We're transitioning away from the every Friday night type of party. We're doing a lot more Saturday events. With our flagship events like Bacchanal Dance Hall and Rum for Breakfast, which was a huge success last year. We're going to be rolling out 2 or 3 new Saturday events, reworking Beach Juve, and really redoing the product to what the customer wants, what our patrons want and have asked for.
I come in here with a bucket of paint, drink till I iron fall like a fiend. I never come here to act like a saint. Ask if I know mother, tell them I hate. I come to stand by the barrel of mud. From head to toe, boy, I broke like a flood.
Well, being a part of the launch, I think it was great. We had fun, the models looked good, music was good, setup was good. It was a good launch.
Revelers who have spoken out about the cost of the costumes, which are in the $700 region, were greeted with the announcement of more affordable priced costumes. Bacchanal Jamaica 2019 was launched under the theme Invictus Conquer Life. The affair, which was held at Hope Zoo, saw patrons come out in their numbers to witness the unveiling of 13 Latin-themed costumes, with the costume designs and their names bearing Roman influences, including Venus, Mars and Bellona, Apollo and Diana, Cleopatra, Cilicia and Neptune, among others. For 2019, Bacchanal Jamaica will see a diverse team of designers to help bring these themed looks to life, gathering costume designers from Jamaica, Barbados and Trinidad and Tobago. Bacchanal Jamaica is the second band to launch their costumes for the 2019 Carnival season, following Jamaica International just a week prior. Rochelle Spencer walked away with the title of Top Designer and $2.5 million in cash and prizes. The season finale of the televised fashion reality series Mission Catwalk took place on Saturday in the formal gardens at Devon House. This season was dubbed the Celebrity Edition of Mission Catwalk and featured 12 designers from across the Caribbean competing in 3 teams headed by celebrities: blogger Quiet Perry, DJ Sparks, and former model and dancehall artist D'Angel. The series showcased the dynamics between the designers and their career-driven celebrities who were tasked with guiding the creative process of the competitors. Contestants were presented with weekly challenges geared toward narrowing down the groups to eventually identifying the winner after just 9 episodes. The finale featured finalists Trinidad's Stephen Bessano as well as Jamaicans Mercy Ann Copeland and Rochelle Spencer, unveiling vibrant capsule collections that commanded the attention of patrons, viewers and judges. Spencer emerged the winner, having had her Utopian Garden collection proved most runway ready. In addition to the cash prize, Spence received a scholarship to pursue fashion marketing at UTech, a photo shoot with renowned fashion photographer, and sewing equipment. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.